the Taotronics Soundliberty 97. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Soundliberty 97 by Taotronics. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The Soundliberty 97 features 9 hours of listening time and 29 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, AAC, SBC codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. Touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX8 waterproof. The case has a matte finish all around with a slim profile. On the front, you have the branding. And you also have the status LED light. On the right side, you have the USB-C charge port. And on the back, you'll find the reset button. The lid opens and closes smoothly and it feels tight. Earbuds are secured by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. You can see the ear markings etched inside the case. The earbuds have a simple, basic design. Matte finish all around, and on the inside face you have the ear indicators. The outer face has the logo along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, touch controls, LED, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired function. These also have volume controls. The case comes in at 2.2 by 1 by 1.7 inches. It weighs in at 33 grams and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't want to talk anymore. I want to get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts.
I wake up, flex, I'm down now, check. No drip, this wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down now, check. No drip, this wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soundliberty 97 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I found the microphone to be decent during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Soundliberty 97. The earbuds have a tight, secure fit, and it definitely provides a nice seal and there's good passive noise isolation. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. The touch controls help in relieving the additional pressure. Build-in quality is in line with many of the Taotronics models. Case and earbuds feel durable. Earbuds don't protrude out as much once they're seated in your ears. The touch controls were responsive and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 9 hours and 29 total with the case. I like the IPX rating, so this should protect you from the elements. I would have liked to see wireless charging. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in punchy and tight. It's not overwhelming bass, but just enough. Mids and highs also come in clean and clear, and there's decent separation. I feel it does lean towards a warm sound signature, and found the overall listening experience to be pleasant. Overall, I found these to have decent sounds. These can be a versatile pair and be used for casual listening or for those that are leading active lifestyles. So that is my review of the Taotronics Soundliberty 97 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.